36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, eating, driving, or smoking. You cannot be in and out of the camera. And when your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Mr. Downer, please put your whole face into the video. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Jose de la Cruz, ticket number SX4179992. Count one, failed to stop within a short, clear distance, and count two, motor vehicle operation without security. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Mr. de la Cruz.
Hello, I'm Jose de la Cruz.
Your Honor, today is the day and time set for trial. The officer has not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal of these charges.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. You're all set, Mr. de la Cruz. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay.
All right, this is the People versus Jalen Downer, ticket number SP1434083. Count one, drove out unlicensed, ticket number SP1433955. Count one, 21 to 25 miles per hour over closing speed. Count two, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say names for the record, starting with Corporal Croxton.
Good morning, Judge. Corporal Croxton, Detroit Police Officer Badge 665. Good morning.
Good morning, thank you.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, I think I already said that. In any case, we do have a resolution in this matter. The misdemeanors are being dismissed, the civil infractions being amended to impeding traffic. At this time, I'd stipulate to the face of the plate as a factual basis and also stipulate the probable cause for the dismissed matters.
Say your name, Mr. Downer.
Jalen Donner.
All right, the court will admit count one of civil infraction to blockading. Will dismiss the remaining misdemeanors and will proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $175, Mr. Downer. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay the fine. Can you have it paid by June 8th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
For all set, good luck to you. If you don't pay it, it goes into default and you'll incur late fees. So make sure you pay it. It won't close out and it'll just get more expensive.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Officer Corporal Croxton. Thank you, Croxton. All right, this is the People versus Tasia Robinson, ticket number SP5373155. Repeat offender. Turn your video. Turn count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, driving registered or entitled vehicle. Ticket number 184799092. Count one, no valid ops. Count two, unregistered motor vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 1621024. Count one, driver license suspended. Ticket number 145611183. Count one, driver license not valid. Ticket number 2045870. Count one, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number 1939890. No operator's license in possession. Ticket number SP1039341. Count one, drive on unregistered or entitled vehicle. Count two, drove while unlicensed, license not valid or proper license. Ticket number SP1080180. Count two, city parks closed 10-6. And ticket number SP1294436. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name,
Tasia Robinson.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to receive a pretrial offer from the city attorney. At this time, my client would admit 2 counts of failing to display a license and also a delayed sentence to being in the park after dark. All of the matters would be dismissed. She's waiving her rights, asking court to accept that.
Okay, raise your right hand, Ms. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Soroki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of December 26, 2021 at 3:24 p.m. on the date and time were you at or near 6 Mile and Greenfield in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2007 Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 12, 2018 at 10:55 a.m. on the date and time we at or near Evergreen in West Davidson in the city of Detroit.
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you driving a 2003 Ford vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you driving while your license was suspended and a repeat offender?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to also direct your attention to the date of May 3rd, 2020 at 12:15 a.m. on the date and time were you at or near East Jefferson and Iroquois in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you I don't know, in a 2004 vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you in a park that was closed between 10 and 6 a.m.?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roby?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulated probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, so the court will amend the tickets to fail to display, will dismiss the remaining tickets, and then you made admission to a 3-month delay in sentence. So we'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a fine of, it's gonna total $600. So there's gonna be a $200 fine for the 3-month delay sentence. And then for the other ticket, there's $200 fine. Normally I just give like a month to pay it, but because it's kind of a substantial amount and you have this 3-month delay sentence, I'm just gonna give you till August 24th to pay all the fines. That's also gonna be your next court date. So you come back on August 24th at 8:35. Make sure you paid the $600 and then no more tickets, no violations, nothing. So essentially no further police contact. And when you come back, you haven't got any more tickets, you paid the fine, the civil infraction, or I'm sorry, the 3-month delayed sentence of the ticket with the being in the park after it was closed, that would be dismissed off your record. Do you
Okay.
understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have any questions?
No.
Okay, so you are all set.
Okay. Thank you.
What about Angel? Can we bring Angel Davidson, see if she has her?
She wasn't answering. I tried her twice, so is she there? I mean,
She's in the waiting room.
oh, okay, yeah. I'm sorry. I was looking for her in the paper.
Do you have any documents, ma'am?
Yes,
What documents do you have? You have your registration and insurance?
yes, and my driver's license because I didn't have it on me that day. So I have everything.
Yes, it is, Your Honor. I believe it's the SOS right behind one of the pockets.
All right, can you put up your driver's license, I mean, not your driver's license, your insurance and registration to the camera?
Do I do it like,
Bring it up to the camera more,
Yes, we can actually see it.
a little bit more. Could you see it, Mr. Roki?
Oh, she has to talk, so it gets bigger. Can you say something, Miss Davis?
can you hear me?
Yeah, now hold it up. Bring it back.
Okay.
Bring it closer.
And say something again, please.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Oh, there it is. Okay. No, keep it up.
Okay,
May 17, 2023. Is that what it says? Expiration date? Is it
Yes,
2020?
yes,
Okay, so it's already expired.
yeah, but it wasn't, he said, but it wasn't expired at the time when I got my ticket. This is what he needed for me to have in the car. So he told me to bring this to court so I could show that I did have insurance.
Okay, and what's the effective date on that, Ms. Davis? I see it expires May 17th. When did it start? When did the insurance start? You can turn around and look at it.
Oh,
It should say effective date, like,
I think this was, let me see on here. Is,
oh, me.
let's see. Oh,
Duh. I got it. Sorry.
November 17, 2022.
What'd you say?
It said effective date, November the 17th, 2022.
Okay, I got it. Yep. And so Ms. Soroki on, let's see, I'm trying to think. Do you show that she has a disregard traffic control signal on the docket? I'm sorry, because I don't see her on my docket, but you might.
She's the show cause.
Oh, show cause, that's right. So Ms. Soroki blockading. And
So-
she's got two, mhm.
Go ahead.
And she's got two state counts. Here you go, Your Honor. Thank you. I didn't realize I had it. So she's got two state counts. The people are moving for blockading on the disregard of traffic control device. And now Your Honor, dismissal of, yeah, and I put on there, as long as she's got a registration.
The proper place and no insurance assistance done.
Yep, so yep, she would just be pleading on our end to the,
You have insurance too, Mrs. Davis?
I think that was State
No,
Farm,
no,
right?
insurance.
Okay, okay,
If you want to see the registration,
all right,
Okay, that's perfect. We're good.
okay. All right, list of people versus Angel Davis, ticket number SP 1431392, count one, disregard traffic control device, count two, no proof of insurance, count, you know what? Well, whatever, count three, fails to display a valid operator's license on a person, ticket number SP 1016947, count one, no insurance misdemeanor, count two, improper plates. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Tamika Horn, appearing on behalf of the people, P70303.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Angel Davis.
Say your name, David.
Ms.
Say
Davis,
your name,
I didn't hear you, I'm sorry.
say your name.
Oh, Angel Davis.
And I'm sorry. And Ms. Soroki, I believe there's civil infractions that I'm not quite sure that they were in default. I have no objection to your motion as to the disregard traffic control device and the no proof insurance.
Okay, so Miss Davis, they offered you to give you one civil infraction for impeding traffic. It's no points and it doesn't go on your record. Do you want to accept that?
Okay, but what does that mean though? So I know.
It means you'll just pay a fine. They're reducing a 3-point ticket to no points, and they're making it so it won't show up your driving record. You just have to pay the fine to the court. It's like a
What's-
parking ticket.
Okay, well, how much is the fine?
Most fines are
Is that gonna
175.
determine if you put the offer or not? I mean,
I'm sorry.
I'm saying that she's asking how much the fine is. Is that gonna determine if you want the offer or not?
Wait, or do I have another option, or is this that the option that I have?
You have an option of coming back to trial, but this is a, well,
No, I don't want to. No.
And you're getting misdemeanors dismissed as
Okay.
opposed to a civil infraction.
Okay, I had to just understand. I didn't understand. Okay,
Do you want to take the offer?
yes,
All right, so you stipulate to the face of the ticket and probable cause, Ms. Roby?
Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, the court will amend count one of ticket number ending in 392 to blockading. Will dismiss the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 misdemeanors and will proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $175. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay this fine. Can you have it paid by June 8th?
is there any way that I could get a little bit more time?
June 22nd.
Perfect.
If you don't pay it by June 22nd, it goes into default and it won't close out. And then, you'll owe late fees, you'll incur late fees, so it'll get more expensive and it still won't close out, so make sure you have paid it, okay?
So do I come down there or to pay
You can
it?
pay it you can pay it online, you can pay it over the phone. If you have a PIN number ready, I can give you the phone number. Or there's a kiosk like in CVS and Myers. And I know there's one in Northwest Activity Center called DAT, DIV as in Victor, DAT as in Tom. You pay it on the kiosk.
Yeah, that's right down the street from me, as a matter of fact, at Northwest Activity Center.
Okay, you can pay it there on the kiosk.
So so when I go to the kiosk, just not to be confused, I have to put in like what do I have to put in?
You can put in your name, but I mean, you can also put the case number in if you want the case number.
Okay, let me get the case number. Okay, what's the case number?
S as in Sam, P as in Paul, 143 13921.
So it's S as in Sam, P as in Paul, 14319. 1 minute. S as in Sam, P as in Paul, 1431921.
SP 143 13921.
Okay. And it's doing about a 22nd. Okay. 22nd, June 20.
You're up there.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Well, good luck.
Have a good day.
I
All right.
just finished him up, trying to make sure I got it.